Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and in this video I have some new unboxings for you. I will have two discovery kits from Birchbox. This time I have just hair care. It happened that they came with two new kits for hair, and I'll show you in a minute how they look. Also with this order I got as a free gift. Actually I chose this as a free gift. This is Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. It's a good size, and here are those two kits that I got from Birchbox. They look like this. Let's start with the first one. This one is the intro dry shampoo kit. Make strands look and smell good, as new with this 6 hair refreshers. So the bag looks like this. Here are the products on the bag. In this one we have 6 products. Comes with the card as usually, with the description of each one, and also the full size, the price for the full size. So let's pick them one by one. The first one I see here is the Amica, and this one is the smallest one in this kit. Is the Amica Pear Cup, if I'm saying right, or Pear Cup, whatever. Is dry shampoo. I tried the Amica ones before and I like them. They smell amazing and they do a great job as a dry shampoo. Like this one is in a full size. It's between $10 and $25. So I think there are different sizes. This one is 33 mils. It's 0.75 ounce, so not even 1 ounce. But as I said, this one is the smallest one in this bag. So then we have all the products in this bag are dry shampoos. This is from Oribe or Oribe, whatever how you pronounce it. This is Gold Last dry shampoo. Looks like this. It's a little bit bigger than the Amica one. Used this one before, like it. Oribe, it's an expensive brand, and this one in a full size is between $22 and $44. So it's not the cheapest one, but it's a great one. So then we have the next one, our size. Let's take it by that. Is the Chlorine dry shampoo with oat milk. Looks like this. This comes very often in boxes and hair kits. I didn't try this one yet. You're gonna see probably in one of the samples of the week. This one, the Chlorine one in a full size, it's $20. Then the next one is, this one is Bumble and Bumble dry shampoo with French pink clay. Probably this, it says something about rose here. It has a very light scent, not as roses. It's for normal to oily hair. Anyway, we'll see how this one works. This one in a full size, it's $29. So not the cheapest one. Then we have two more. One of them is from Kwai. Have no idea how to pronounce it. This I heard people, some of the people on YouTube saying Kwai, other were just Why. Which one, whatever. Is this one is dry shampoo foam. I never tried a dry shampoo foam before. We'll see how this one works. This one in a full size, it's $28. And then the last one, it's Living Proof PhD dry shampoo, perfect hair day. This one in a full size is between $13 and $22. So is this one, it's a good size. I didn't try this one, although I got this in a FabFitFun add-on. In the add-ons, I didn't try it yet. Maybe I will try, because those are full size. I will try the sample first. if as I said before, if you see something in my videos, my unboxing that you wanna know, just let me know in the comments down below you wanna know about. Let me know in the comments down below, and we're gonna put them in the samples of the week even if they are full size. So just saying that. It was this kit. I don't remember how was the price for this, but as usually I'll leave the link down below in case that you wanna check this kit. As I said before, Birchbox comes very often with all kind of kits, from makeup, skincare, body care, whatever you want you can find there, and it is a good way to try. For example, this one, you have here 6 dry shampoos. It's impossible to not find one that you like, and also you try others that you didn't before or you might like, who knows. The second kit from them is this one. This is the Commuter Essentials Beauty Kit, portable products to keep you looking and feeling fresh on the go. Is this one, comes with the card. As always, I'm gonna take this out because I wanna see the prices. Here are the products in this one. I'm seeing a lot of travel size products. The first one is Arrow Protect Aluminum Free Deodorant. Is this one. It's a good travel size. Okay, that is me, and looks like this. It looks like it is gel, but it's not. It is hard as consistency. Interesting. We'll see how this one works. A full size of this, it's $9. Then we have here, this is Georgette Cleansure. Sorry if I don't say the name right. It's coconut facial mist for all skin types. This one is 50 mils. It looks like a full size, and this one in the full size is $9. So let's see about this one, how this one works. It's like it's raining on your face. Not the best mist, but I have to say that this one smells amazing. Love the scent of this, and I'm feeling like I need to wipe my face. Big drops. Maybe I use it too close to my face, but anyway, it smells amazing. Then another product in here, we have this Air & Co. It's a Dead Valley dry shampoo. Is this one. It's a good size. This one is a full size is $30, so not cheap. Anyway, a good size as a travel size. Then we have more products in this one. Let me take all of them out. We have some samples here, 2 of them. Those are beauty, whatever. Let me read the card, because on this one it's kind of impossible to read the name. The words are on top of each other. So this one is RMS Beauty, the Ultimate Makeup Remover Wipes. So we got 2 of them. Those are great to travel with, to have this when you're traveling, and for $16 you get 20 of this. We'll see. Never heard about those. Then we have from Quai, whatever you wanna call it. It's anti-freeze hair sheets. That's something new. Actually, I got in a Korean box something similar, but I didn't use them. A full size of this, which means 15 sheets, are $18. So also in this one we get 5 of them. Great to have them in your purse in a hot summer day, let's say it like that. So are those 5. Then we have Dr. Lip. This is a brand that comes often lately. It's Miracle Balm for dry skin, including lips, for anyway, for lips maybe. I believe it's for lips. It looks like this. It's a small sample. A full size of this, it's $16.50. It's a multitasking natural, completely rehydrates skin and lips, so you can use it for probably for, it says here also for sunburns, okay, and also for cuticles. So this is a miracle balm, is this one. Then we have Stila here, which is great. This is a mascara, and this one it's from Stila Cosmetics. It's huge extreme lash mascara. In a full size it's 23. So let's see how the wand of this looks. Here it is. I hope you can see this one. I didn't use a Stila mascara yet. I will try this one. Then we have here Air Repair. It's complexion boosting moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, which looks like this. Looks familiar to me. This one in a full size, it's $23. It's a rejuvenating cream filled with antioxidants. Okay. Then one more product. It's a Pixie product which came in this bag, and this one is Pixie by Petra. It's a multi balm in wild rose. A full size of this, it's $12. Other rosy flowers flush to lips and cheeks. So another multitasking product. This one has the seal, has the plastic one, so I'm not gonna open this one. Probably the color is similar with this. I'm not gonna open this one because I might put this one in a giveaway. I have a ton of products open right now, so I'll leave this one. So far, this is the box, the bag that is called the Commuter Essential Beauty Kit. We got hair, we got makeup, we got face in here, products. So we got those samples, antifreeze, hair sheets, and those makeup remover wipes, 2 of them and 5 of the other ones. We have Dr. Lip. This is the Miracle Balm. We have a Stila mascara. We have a face cream from Air Repair. We have this multi lip and cheek product from Pixie. We have a dry shampoo in a good size. We have a travel size deodorant from Arrow. And the last thing in here is the face mist from Georgette Klinger, if I'm saying right, is the coconut facial mist, which smells amazing. Probably I should hold it a little bit more far. So I like this one. We'll see how the other one works. As if you watch my channel, you know I like to get those bags from Birchbox, those discovery kits. It's a great way to try new products, to get products for traveling if you used to travel a lot. I don't usually when I'm traveling, it's for a long time, so but anyway, I like to try new products. Those are perfect sizes. Also they will fit very well in my samples of the week video. So that's kind of all for this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time, for your patience, also for your comments, because I really enjoy talking with you over the comments. So that's all for this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with another video. You have a great day, a great week. Bye bye. Actually a great weekend, not week. It's weekend already, so I hope everybody's gonna enjoy the Sunday and the Saturday. So yeah, that's kind of all. You've been great, guys. So I'll see you soon. Bye bye.